Do you want to know how you can join 1xBet's affiliate program? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join 1xBet's affiliate program. Go ahead and open 1xbet.com on your browser and make sure that you have logged into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click on registration and register for yourself. After you log into your account, this type of interface will show up. Go ahead and scroll all the way down of the website and you can see affiliate program over here. Go ahead and click on this link over here and you will be taken to this page, which is the affiliate program by 1xBet. You can make profit in simple ways. You can become an affiliate of a successful betting company and get up to 40% of its net revenue. So you can also read about how it works. The first step is to sign up, register in no time and wait for your account to be verified. The second step is post advertisements, post promotional materials with your affiliate link on your platform. The third step is to refer new customers. Every new customer who is referred via your link is permanently assigned to you. And the fourth and the last one is withdraw money, get up to 40% of our net revenue from every customer you refer. So go ahead and click become an affiliate. Write down your details such as your first name, your last name, your email address, the language of your choice, and write down your messenger type. So you can select either Skype or Telegram and go ahead and write down a username. After you write down a username, go ahead and follow up with your phone number. Make sure the format is right. And after that, go ahead and write down your phone number and select your country. And the next step is to click next. And then you can register for yourself. And this way you can become an affiliate using 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.